Hey guys, just thought I'd make this quick unboxing video of the first trunk watch I've received. I haven't seen these posted in picture or video format anywhere, so I thought maybe this would be informative. So let's get started. So as you can see, I've removed any kind of identifying information from the shipping label. And I'm just going through the box it was shipped in. So let's see what's in there. Now, I'm by no means any kind of watch expert. I am an Apple Watch guy, as you can see. So this might be kind of the first in my journey of watch collecting. You can see it comes in this plastic wrap in a nice box, which says Trump. Let's take the lid off. Nice packaging, I think. I see there's a little extra, probably extra change for you to replace. Let's see what comes in here before we get into the main show. We have this little booklet that talks about setting the time, giving you some instructions, setting the date, winding the mainspring using a winding machine, determining 12 a.m. midnight. All right, well, you can see that's just the documentation. I think there was something else. Yep, there's something else in here. Oh, it says, I guess this is like a warranty card. 1-year international warranty. Okay, let's see what you've all been waiting for. All right, this is the Fight Onyx Gold, I believe. I'll write the description in the video, information down below. But you can see it comes nicely in this, what appears to be leather case with a nice velvet backing here. Now, forgive me if I don't know really how to remove this. Oh, looks like that button's out there. And we'll slowly remove this here. There is some wrap on the watch itself. So you can see they've protected it. I will remove the wrap on the sides here. Undo the clasp, and let's take out this piece here. Wow, looks nice and shiny. Let's do the other side. I'll put the specs down below just because I'm not quite remembering exactly what it said when I ordered it. But I thought it'd be a cool little collector piece here. So there you go. Let's move all this stuff out of the way. Get a nice clear picture of the watch itself. And there is a protective little piece of like vinyl-like plastic on there, which I'm having a little trouble getting off because I have short nails. And there you go. And then I will follow this up with some close-up pictures, which you can see, very nice looking piece. Alrighty. And if you have any comments, questions, post them down below just because I'm not exactly sure what you want to know. Here's the back of the case. I'll try to get you a nice picture of that. Oh, it's upside down. You can see it says, sorry, my fingers are in the way there. I'll try to get a nice picture of that. This is the Fight watch. Alrighty, like I said, post some questions down below. I'll see if I can answer them. I actually have a few more of these coming. I will perhaps do some more unboxing videos if you're interested. And so subscribe and you'll get notified. A couple little extra things. I don't know if you wanted to see kind of the movement of the second hand, which is like so. The dial seems pretty solid. You know, if you turn it this way, you get some solid snaps there. Forgive me if I don't know what that means, but you know, looks like a nice piece. Hopefully I'm not getting it too dusted up just yet. And then I did remove the backing from the back aspect of the watch case, and you can see that there. Alrighty. See you in the next video.